Hey there, we're happy to introduce you to the new Skydio 2. We're really excited about this drone, and in this video, we're going to walk you through some of the basics. Let's take a quick look at what comes with your Skydio 2. Everything ships in this awesome, durable hard case. Inside the case, we have the Skydio 2, one battery, the charging power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable, a microfiber cloth to help keep all of the cameras smudge-free, and an extra set of propellers. The only thing that you'll need to bring to the party is your own micro SD card. The Skydio 2 requires a UHS Speed Class 3 or faster micro SD card. You can find these online or at any retail electronics or mobile phone outlet. The first thing you'll want to do after unboxing your Skydio 2 is charge up your batteries. Skydio 2's batteries are held in place by strong magnets and are charged through the USB-C port on the vehicle. Once fully charged, you'll get about 23 minutes of flight time from a single battery. Skydio 2 uses Wi-Fi to communicate with your phone and other Skydio accessories. Launching Skydio 2 is as simple as holding the launch button. When Skydio 2 is not following a subject, you have full manual flight control from within the app. But after it launches, you can tap the plus symbol on any subject in the current frame within the app to track that subject's motion. Your Skydio 2 will now follow that subject and fly itself to get the best shot. Skydio 2 can follow people or cars, and at any time during flight, you can manually take control of the drone for any reason by tapping the red stop button in the upper right corner of the app. You can easily switch between video and still photo modes via the camera settings menu at the top of the screen. Okay, let's take a quick look at some of those cinematic skills which are accessed through the button in the lower left of the screen. You can think of skills as additional ways to unlock greater creative potential when you're trying to get that perfect shot. Motion tracking is the default skill, and note that you can adjust the height and range of your shot while in most modes. Orbit locks Skydio 2 into an orbit around your subject at your desired distance and speed. Cable Cam gives you the ability to set a start and an end point to your flight and adjust the angle of the camera as Skydio 2 moves through that shot that you've defined. There are, of course, many other skills to explore here and lots of amazing creative potential to unlock, so be sure to check out our support site for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. When it's time to land, you'll want to look for a clear, flat spot away from obstacles and other people. Just tap and hold the land button to land. Skydio 2 will automatically lower itself to the ground safely. After your flight, you can use the Skydio 2 app to create clips of your flight and quickly share them right from your phone. Thanks for watching our Getting Started video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the helpful content on our website at skydio.com/support. Of course, if you need any help or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at help@skydio.com or chat or call us using the contact info on our support site. Have fun and safe flying.